Hello again, welcome back. What I want to look at is production planning, and I've used some information from a Dr. Everett S. Gardner Jr. Now I hope you find this information useful. Now again, you can read this for yourself. You don't need me to be reading this out to you at all, because most of the information is self-explanatory. Okay? But make sure that you read the information, extract it, and do some additional research to add to the information you have acquired. Okay? Now remember that learning is power, and knowledge is power. Okay? Increase your power by increasing and improving your knowledge. Okay? Okay. Now again, extract the information for yourselves, write it out, make it your own. All he's saying here is look at production capacity. How are you going to deal with that? The time it takes to do that. How you need to plan ahead to expect for increased demand or reduction in demand, etc. Okay? Be aware of that. Okay, I'll pan out a little bit so you can get this in fully. No panning. Okay. Okay. Now this just shows you a graphical representation of the inventories. Okay, thank you.